welcome to Small Space Woodworking. Small projects on a small budget using entry-level or affordable tools. The projects on this channel are not complex. They're just to express some creativity as a hobbyist woodworker, and also to make isolation just a little bit more sane. In this video, I'll be making a Posh Squirrel Picnic Table out of an old bed slat. Hope you enjoy the build. Got my workspace. I've got my, old bed slat. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, or rip this all the way down the middle. I'm going to make little squirrel sized planks. So we're in a garden, ready to find a spot for it, but I've made a slight amendment to it. I've taken a little slice out of here and I've created a dado which fits over that, and I can then affix, obviously I can secure the table to this pole, if it were, and then I can use this to affix to a fence. So that's next. Important when fixing the batten to pre-drill these holes so that this wood doesn't split, and then you can screw this in.